Let's see how we can set up our fingerprint scanner on the 25 Santa Fe Calligraphy. To set up your fingerprint scanner, you swipe left, you go to setup, you go to user profile. Now if you haven't set up your profile yet, so we go here, change user, we're going to confirm. You just select your preferred language, go next, put in a name. For example, we're going to put Hyundai. Okay. Password, use a simple password. Re-enter the password. So now we're going to go to set fingerprint. Consent settings, you got to make sure you have both key fobs in the car. And then now you can actually scan your finger. It can be any 5 fingers. So we're going to scan our fingers. You are going to have to lift your finger a couple times so you can get accurate readings. And your fingerprint has been saved. You press OK. And that's how you set up your fingerprint scanner. Thank you guys for watching. Any questions? Put them down below in the comment section.